Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to bake a banana carrot cake. Mash 320 grams of ripe bananas. Grate 220 grams of carrot. Add it to the mashed bananas. Add 300 grams of light brown sugar. Mix it until fully combined. Now it's time to add 200 grams of butter, but I can't buy it this time, so I am using dairy cream margarine. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of almond flavor. I washed 5 eggs before cracking it. This is how it looks now, and I will add it to the mixture. Now I will start preparing the dry ingredients. I will use 300 grams of White King all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is the time I add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it with a whisk. Add to the wet ingredients and mix it properly until fully combined. Preheat the oven for 20 minutes and start greasing the baking pan with butter. Pour the bread mixture and remove the air bubbles using a chopstick. Tap to remove some air bubbles left and place it in the oven. Bake it around 30 minutes at 195 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, here is my finished product. Look how nice it is. I will use a stick to check if it is cooked. It is cooked. Perfect. I let it cool down for 20 minutes before removing it from the baking pan. Look, it's easy to release from the baking pan. I will cut it using a bread knife to see how does it look inside. One more cut so we can eat this for merienda.